too drunk.
Let me tell you something, Chris. Drunk is nature.
I'm not really comfortable hunting with you right now,
You're
Dad.
not comfortable hunting with me? Ever tried hunting with you? I gotta tell you, Chris. Your cup is always half empty. Look at me. You should try more like your old man and look on the bright side of life.
Blight?
Say bright. I said blight. My life is sunny and blight. Light is, this means sudden withering death. That's, who am I kidding? Life is full of bright.
You blight?
Oh gosh.
What's the matter?
Hate myself. Why did you quit working on me? Yo, what's wrong with me, Chris? Don't do anything better, dear. Drink me, put me inside you. I'm great. He chokes me. Like every whore out there. You're gonna get a kid. Every last one. Then I'm gonna get you. They wanna get you. Yeah, just want to you and pull you in. And you're forced to stay in and pull out and stay in and pull out and they get you. And then they grab you. They'll get a couch. Then they squeezing things out. Things that are like weights around your neck. And then you're into your life with nowhere to go and no one to be.